Hey everybody, it's me Sissy. Today I have a Dollar Tree haul and a few items from Michael's and a few items from Dollar General. So let's get right to it. We'll start with the ones from Dollar General. My sister got me these cute little decorative pieces and they were all $1. It was a little farmhouse chicken and a cow, a moo, and then a little pig. It says oink. I think I'm just going to paint the frames white so they kind of go better in my kitchen, and just put them in here. Don't have to do very much at all, just give them a little paint job. And then we'll do some stuff that I got from Michael's on clearance. I got and my low carb thing, they had some Lily's chocolate bars, and these are low carb and low sugar. They have, find my glasses, a serving has 17 carbs. I know that sounds like a lot, but there's 10 grams of fiber. You can subtract that. And then there is sugar alcohols, and you can subtract that. So actually it comes out to 2 net carbs. Yeah, 2 net carbs a serving. So, and I don't eat a lot of it at the time. I did take a little bite because I was hungry while I was shopping, but and my sister wanted to try it too. So, but it comes in a little like Hershey bar, and just breaking off a little piece is enough to satisfy me because I don't really have that much of a sweet tooth. But this was the salted caramel, and it comes in all bunch of different flavors. It is a little pricey, so it's a good thing I couldn't sit down and eat the whole thing. I think it was like, well, it was in Michael's, so it's more than if you bought it on Amazon, or I think sometimes you can find it in Walmart, but it was $5 in Michael's. So, but I just needed a little something, a little pick-me-up. So, and then I got some stuff off of clearance. This is the Create 365 Deco pins, decorative tape, and it was regularly $6.99. I think I got it for like 59 cents. It was marked down to $3.99, and then with the clearance everything, I think it was 59 cents for that. And then I got the Jane Davenport pocket pouches, which you can put little notepads in, and this is really cute. I thought this one on the front was cute. I'm gonna go ahead and open it up so you can see the other ones in here. But it's great if you got like a little notepad from the Dollar Tree and you want to carry it in your purse. You can stick it right in this little pocket, and these are so cute. And it opens up, so it's like a little folio. It's got a front and a back pocket, but it has this cute girl on it. I love that one. And then it has the green one, and this was 57 cents, 67 cents, or something like that. It was really, really cheap. And a nice pink one, and then this pretty yellow one. So pick that up, and then I got some of the Craft Smart clear stamps. This one was 49 pieces, and this is regularly like 20 bucks. I got it for $1.99, and it has 49 different stamps in it. So I love those. And I got the 73 piece with some Easter and spring stuff in it, and this was $1.99 also. So it pays to check out the clearance on Michael's. I never pay full price for anything at Michael's. Either I have a coupon or it's on clearance. But that's all the stuff I picked up outside of Michael's, outside of Dollar Tree. So we'll get to the Dollar Tree stuff now. Let me adjust my camera just a little bit. Okay, the first thing I got this week was I picked up these cute little bowls. They go with the plates I got for my little tablescape. So I'm going to go ahead and put those on my table setting, and I'll show those when I get through with the video. And this is just all random thrown in the bag. This is 2 weeks worth. I didn't do a video last week, so we'll just put it all together. I picked up the 6-pack of these are like little foam roses. I'm going to try to do a little craft with that. And I picked up some nail files. I'm trying to economize, not go to the nail salon and do my own nails. And I don't really have that much nails. They're little short nubby things, so I've been doing them at home instead of spending the money on a manicure. And then I picked up the 3 mesh laundry bags, the Home Essentials. This is great if you got delicate things. I put my mask in one and zip it up and throw it in the washer. And then I saw, I think it's Crafts by Caitlin. She picked up these makeup vanishing towels, and she said they work pretty good, so I thought I would give it a try. You're supposed to be able to take your makeup off without using soap. We'll try it and see. And then I found this cute little wall decor jumbo stickers. It's the heart, love hearts, and then the angel wings. You get a set of wings and then several little hearts. So I picked that up. And then I got a roll of the clear quick cover contact paper with a beautiful little flower design. This is great for inside your drawers, or sometimes I use it as transfer tape for my Cricut. So, but it's really pretty all on its own. So, and sometimes they're out of this design, so I just went ahead and picked up a roll. And then I picked up a pack of the Valentine's flowers. Valentine's napkins. It has the balloon, heart-shaped balloons on it. I've got a DIY I'm going to try to do, and I'm going to try to work these into it. So we'll see how that works. And then I picked up some napkins with the flowers and the birds on it. So I might use that too. I'm not sure which one I'm going to use yet. And then some of the home stuff. Oh, and these napkins, they're 18 luncheon napkins. In this pack, yeah, both of them have 18 napkins in them. And that's a great deal for napkins, especially if you're having a little get-together or whatever. And then I picked up the Home Store Furniture Polish Lemon Scent. This is good. It smells really good. And I got the Crafter Square 4-piece gemstone designs. These are the butterflies. These are so cute. And I use these at Christmas, not this particular pattern, but the star ones. Put on some clear ornaments and some colored ornaments. Make beautiful Christmas ornaments. So, depending on if I don't use them by Christmas, I could use them up then and put them on some ornaments. And then I picked up some of the Crafter Squares, sponge dabbers. This is good if you're doing a stencil. And another craft item, but this is the Tool Bench hardware, the little felt pads. These are great to go on the bottom of your vases or ceramic bowls or trays. If you don't want to scratch up your furniture, you can just pop some of these on the bottom. I love these. And they're self-adhesive, but I always put a little glue on mine too. And then they had this really cute little puppy fabric, so I picked up some of that. I don't know how big it doesn't say what size it is. It's 20 by 21 inches. The puppy design fabric. It's got the cute little puppies on it, so I picked that up. And of course I had to pick up my puppy the poop bags. I always get those for my dogs. I have my dog and my son's dogs. So. And then they had this really cute little jar. I've got a DIY I'm going to try with this jar and some of the stamps that I got at Michael's. So I hope that turns out and I'll be able to show it to you. And let's see, I picked up some of the glitter vase filler. That's really cute. I was looking for these when I did my tablescape, but I used the little hearts instead. But these are really cute too in a vase. And I picked up the eyeglass cord. These are great for glasses or sunglasses, or you can even hook your mask on it, because I'm always losing my mask. And with the cold weather, I've been having some chapped lips, so I picked up the Chap Ice lip balm in watermelon and blue raspberry, and it's got 3 in the pack, so I picked that up. And I love these bubble face mask. These are really good. I love this one. I don't like to get the ones with clay in them because they're black and they turn the water black in the bathtub. I love to put one on while I'm taking a bubble bath. But this one's really good. I like this one. It makes your face, it has like, when you put the mask on, you can actually feel it bubbling, so it feels good. And then I picked up this little puppy treat jar. It says A house is not a home without paw prints. So I got that's really cute. And what else have I got in here? I picked up these cute little 4-piece containers with the little heart containers. Those are really cute. So I got a little DIY coming up with those. And what else have I got here? I picked up these tomato cages, and I'm trying to think ahead of what I needed this past year when I was doing Christmas crafts. I really needed these tomato cages because I had a craft I wanted to do and I couldn't find any, of course. So I picked these up in advance to use for a DIY for Christmas. And if I'm really smart, I'll go ahead and do the DIY now and film it and have it ready. So let's see what else I got. I picked up the socks with the bacon and eggs and coffee on it, and then the little red and white striped socks. My Dollar Tree finally got some alcohol back in. This is the 70% Swan's alcohol, and it's 16 fluid ounces, so I picked that up. And I picked up a book, How to Make a French Family. I know a lot of people have problems. They hate to cut up books and use the pages, but I have a little craft I wanted to do, and this book is $1, and I just don't have any qualms about cutting up the pages to use for a craft, so that's what I'm going to do with that. And I picked up these cute little makeup sponges. These are going to go with my paint supplies. These are great to paint with if you're doing a stencil, to dab the paint on in the little brushes. So I think that, what else have I got in here? Oh, just some boring stuff. Let me get it out. I got some Lime Away toilet bowl cleaner. This is great. I love this. This is my favorite toilet bowl cleaner. And then I picked up the 3-pack with the foil mask. And what brand is this? This is Greenbrier. This is a Greenbrier brand. And it's supposed to be, this contains blue, red, and silver peel-off mask. I don't know. I guess they're just supposed to be moisturizing or something. But anyway, I picked those up. And I picked up a 3-pack of the Crafter Square finger protectors for when you're using that glue gun. And some Jot Clear glue. This is 4 ounces. This is great. If you're doing like paper crafts, you can tint this glue with a little bit of ink or a little tiny bit of food coloring, and it makes it like a colored glaze over your paper products. So I picked that up. And I picked up the Home Bright Spray Disinfectant. They haven't had this very often, so I picked up a can to have in my car. And that's it, y'all. That's my Dollar Tree haul. Hope that I'll be back in the swing of things and have some DIY videos and some update you on how the low carb is going, and maybe do a recipe or something. But anyway, so I hope y'all are having a great week and everything's going good for you. I've had a kind of rough week, and but maybe things will be better. But anyway, Sissy can do it. You can do it too. So get out there and go shopping at Dollar Tree, and just keep going, people. It's going to be all right. See you next time. Bye-bye.
Daddy girl. Is Daddy done, Mama? Mom's gotta get up. Let's get up. Can Mama get up? Can Mama get up? Can Mama? Okay, I won't say it again. I won't say it again. I won't say the bad word. I'll stay right here, I promise. I love you, Daddy girl. I'll stay right here, I promise. I promise. Stay there. I'll stay right here. You're just weak, baby. I'm not going anywhere. I'll stay right here with you, baby. Daddy, I'll stay here. Mama's got to get up. Mama's got... I won't go anywhere. I promise I'll stay right here. You lay down and go to sleep. We'll go to sleep. Lay down. We'll go to sleep. Okay? We'll go to sleep. Okay? It's okay now? You okay? Mama's got to get up and go to work. Okay, I promise. Mama will stay home with you. Mama will stay home with you. Come here, Mama, stay home. Mama, stay home. There's Mama, stay home. Die. Mama's got to get up.